Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rifaki Daniansha and today I will explain about descriptive text. Descriptive text is a type of writing used to describe or explain a person, place, object, or phenomenon in detail or deep. Purpose descriptive text is to provide a clear and detailed picture of the described subject to the reader or listener. Function of descriptive text 1. Providing information, conveying detailed information about an object or subject. 2. Creating visualization, helping readers or listeners visual or feel what is being described. 3. Entertaining, providing a richer or more engaging reading experience. And 4. Enhancing understanding, making it easier for readers to understand the characteristics and needs of the subject. Structure of descriptive text 1. Identification. Introduce the object to describe. 2. Physical description. Describe appearance, size, color, and other. 3. Functional description. Explain the function or use of the object. And 4. Conceptualization. May include personal feelings or opinion about the object. That's all for me. Thank you for attention. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.